Here's an awesome Chester Valley home and property, close to the Glenn Highway, shopping, restaurants, and theaters. Your deck and garden are pieces of heaven. It's walking distance to the elementary school, has beautiful mountain views, and Chester Creek gurgles along your property line. Nothing like kicking back in your serene backyard, watching the mallards swim by. Inside, the split-level home takes you up to the living room, dining room, and updated kitchen. There's also a full bathroom and 2 ample-sized bedrooms. Downstairs, you'll find 3 more bedrooms, enough for your growing family. Plus an office or hobby room and a workshop. This home has been well maintained by the same owner since 1968. If you'd like to see this home in person, please call Beth or Lindsay. They are waiting to answer all of your questions.